Best, O'Neill ThisWorx SPYDE helmet. The O'Neill ThisWorx SPYDE helmet is an excellent choice for off-road riders looking for a high-quality helmet that provides superior protection and comfort. This helmet is designed to meet the demands of off-road riders who need a durable, well-ventilated helmet that can withstand the rigors of off-road riding. One of the key features of the O'Neill ThisWorx SPYDE helmet is its construction. It is made from a lightweight and durable polycarbonate shell that is designed to absorb impact and protect the rider in the event of a crash. The helmet also features a dual-density EPS liner that provides additional impact protection and helps to keep the rider's head cool and comfortable. Another important feature of the O'Neill ThisWorx SPYDE helmet is its ventilation system. The helmet features multiple air vents that are strategically placed to provide maximum airflow to the rider's head. This helps to keep the rider cool and comfortable, even in hot and humid conditions. In addition to its construction and ventilation, the O'Neill ThisWorx SPYDE helmet also has a number of other features that make it a great choice for off-road riders. The helmet has a removable and washable liner that is easy to clean and maintain, and it also features a large eye port that provides excellent visibility. The helmet also has a secure and comfortable fit, thanks to its adjustable visor and chin strap. The visor can be adjusted to suit the rider's preferences, while the chin strap ensures that the helmet stays securely in place during even the most demanding rides. Overall, the O'Neill ThisWorx SPYDE helmet is an excellent choice for off-road riders who demand the best in protection, comfort, and performance. Its lightweight and durable construction, combined with its superior ventilation and other features, make it one of the best helmets on the market today. So if you're looking for a high-quality off-road helmet that will keep you safe and comfortable, the O'Neill ThisWorx SPYDE helmet is definitely worth considering. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.